What is up everyone? Oh my god. What is up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, today I just want to make this quick and short video describing, explaining, showing you guys some tips on how to make this thing. But I don't know what you call this. Yes, so we are actually working on my car right now, and this video is still on the progress. I'm not sure about other cars, but for KP30 there is a line here which is very hard to shape it when you already grind all of this off. So when you apply the body filler, it is always hard to get the straight line. So today this short video is gonna show you how I did it, how we did it. So yeah, so the first thing is get your grind and grind all the old body filler down. This is actually the result for the backside. We already done this part, and this is a separate video. For the door, we're gonna do the same thing, so you must be curious how we done this very straight line. It is not by sanding, but it is done by some special magic trick. So yep, here it goes. But I'm gonna have my dad to demonstrate it because I'm holding a camera, so So what he did is he grind off all the previous body filler because they doesn't stick anymore. So you're gonna grind off them just like this, all this. So yep. Next I'm gonna show you guys this tool. So this is a homemade, custom made. This thing is actually a metal piece. This shape right here, as you can see, my dad actually custom the shape like this, which is same with the line here. So when you put this thing down, you're just gonna pull it all the way to the back. Alright, so I do have some footage on how he did this, so here's the footage. Alright guys, so my dad is actually creating the special tools. Yes, and that is how he did it. So this special tool is specially created for this KP30 lines right here. Next, we're gonna need body filler. But before applying any body filler, make sure you clean off all the dust. As you can see, it is very dirty because you want your body filler to stick on the surface. Alright guys, so here is the magic. Alright, so as you can see, it is straight now. So we're gonna wait for it to dry and we can proceed to the sanding process. Alright guys, it's another day, and for this part I already sanded down, but this part we're gonna add the body filler again because it is not enough. Alright, so we are here again picking up the body filler. Nghĩ chiều luôn. Ý rất sảng trắng luôn. Chun chun. Alright guys, so this is the second layer, and for this thing you're gonna put the body filler, sand it again until you feel satisfied. Alright guys, so this is after sanding, so now we're gonna apply again until we're satisfied.
Because we are not satisfied.
Why di ba nana? Not satisfied. Why not? Alright guys, so we just done taking the thumbnails. Oh, look at that. Alright, so this is how you do your body line. I mean, this is how we do our body line. Just like this, and you just gonna keep repeating the process, applying the body filler, sand it, applying it, sand it until you feel satisfied. Then you're done. So yes, that is for today's short video. The full video of this car, I mean the body process before the primer coating, will be uploaded after this video. So if you like my video, please go to my playlist and visit all the episodes. And I'm sorry this took a while because body repair is such a long process. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And yes, we'll see you in the next video.